Hi, my name is Greg Pallia. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. In today's episode, we're going to talk about how much does it cost to renew a flat roof. So talking about renewal, not 100% tear off. You could renew your roof with spray foam or silicone roof coating system. So we're going to go into that today, and really the ballpark cost is $5 to $10 per square foot. Now there's 100 variables. I'm going to go through 6 of them today. That'll steer you towards the 5-foot range or the 10-foot range. So the first thing is the size of your roof. Pretty self-explanatory. A larger roof is going to be cheaper per square foot than a smaller roof, just because on a larger roof we're already there, we're already set up, we can keep going. On a smaller roof you have to, it's the same setup kind of. It just takes more time. It's really just the economies of scale. So anytime 2 projects are similar and one's way bigger, the one's going to be a little bit cheaper per square foot. Second thing is the desired R value and warranty length. This all has to do with the amount of product that's used. If you want a larger R value, say with spray foam, it's 6.5 per inch of thickness. So if you want 2 inch, or you want an R13, that's 2 inches of foam. If you want a R26, that's 4 inches of foam. Double the product. It's going to be more costly for more product. And then the warranty length. The warranty for a coating system or a spray foam roof, it's always determined by the thickness of the coating that's installed. So, and for a 10-year warranty, 20 mils of coating is used. For a 20-year warranty, 30 mils of coating is used. So for double the length of warranty, 50% more product is used. So in both cases, more product, you get better stuff out of it, but it's going to cost more. Third thing is the amount of tear off. Some roofs have 2% wet insulation, some have 20% wet insulation, but just the labor hours to identify those areas is probably the same because you're going over the whole roof, but you have to dig all that stuff out, you have to bag it, pay to transport it to a landfill, pay the landfill costs, etc. And if it's only 2% of a roof versus 20% of a roof, definitely way more labor costs go into the higher saturated roof. Fourth thing is what roofing system is installed. Just ballpark cost, a roof coating system is $4 to $8 per square foot. And spray polyurethane foam is $6 to $12 per square foot. Granted, there's a ton of variables with all that, but just a ballpark cost for that. Right now, with how the economy is, with labor shortages, materials are way higher. These costs are way higher than they were 3 or 4 years ago, but just depending on if you choose a coating system only or spray foam with coating, that'll sway the cost one way or the other. The fifth thing is the number of penetrations. This really goes to fluid applied roofing systems versus non-fluid applied roofing systems. So we've done colleges, universities, hospitals, very busy roofs with a ton of walls, with pipes, with skylights, with curbs, drains, etc. There's not a flat, there's a flat part of the roof, but if you're rolling out a sheet like a TPO roof, you couldn't go 10 feet without having to custom cut something to fit around every penetration. So the roofs that are installed that way with the rolled out sheets, way more time to install. They have to custom cut, use termination metal, possibly adhesives, etc. It just takes a lot more longer to install a roof that's rolled out in sheets on a busy roof than a fluid applied roof where you just go right around a pipe and you just keep on going. There's like no interruption to the installation, so less labor hours to install. It's going to be a little cheaper. Then the last thing is the distance away from the roofing contractor. We travel to Florida, Georgia, we're in Ohio, we're in Georgia and Florida too, but we go out of state all the time for roofing projects. And it's because the quality of our install is good. The worst thing you want to do is choose someone a little bit cheaper just because they're closer and the quality isn't there, and 3 years down the road the roof's leaking, they might not even be around and you're stuck to where you are at today. But one thing that I would say is, just say you have a rubber roof and you're getting a quote for spray foam and you're choosing a couple of different contractors. Ask each of them, like, hey, show me a rubber roof. They used spray foam 10 years ago. Let me see the roof. Let me walk on it. Give me the contact information of that building owner if they're still around. And just say, how's the roof holding up? Have you witnessed any energy savings? How's the maintenance, etc. But a company that doesn't have those references or those roofs that you can see, could be a red flag. I would definitely pay a little more for someone that's far away, that has those referrals, that has proven that they've solved an issue 10 years ago and it's still going strong today. Those are the 6 points today. If you want to read more about any of these points, in the description there's a link to the full blog post. But I hope you took away one thing new today, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.